tak phai sok phajak choto gongra yoi ko boy ro bagani office sahab killa office sahab bob tongul ke jasmar jamatia choto gongra yo aro mitrai ro no hostelo ata kolom tokui biskit tei saban sabang bagani alkin hen aro thangai tei babage pau kholai sinai gangma hia tong so outla ni phailai ni bakso killa ni tak gangma hia tong ho tei khata ma tong ho adi jotno ani sini lo age ba
athu kirino thansang lai he sao no me chele mano siari no robo chaja bai khele teibo
lama ko hilai tong ho choto gongrai
athu kirino thansang lai he sao no me chele Siarino sabjak baik hele teibo
ngomong khas satu video para karut deh foto gangrai ini ke farman lo di office sahab foto ini ikhlas kok hai di Joto N.I.T no hambai
pisar jak bayi sabo bianto gana phai hambai pisar cameraman bisa aku jamatia sabo bianto gana phai sidi bai bikha ya khera boy lampa bai sidi bikha bai bikha ya khera boy lampa bai athu kirira thansang sao me chele mano siarino
bisa pulmau
ang sini takut cameraman nak koine tadi tolong deh guys mesti sahabat dua
bisa kah
zoomin kayak
bisa
वो काम ही करूँ
baru ucai jangan
tadi yang aku apa yang beri coklat
sai dunia bai phamsa motong samotha
coklat terus
sai dunia
coklat
belum bro deh bukai tai tunanya pasarnya itu kongan apa uturnya nama idang kan selengah terus
sakawa coklat satu dikasih deh coklat
like sekali
sini posisi sahat coklat bak tunggu gila nih respected Kumar Jamatia orang kami sok pelele ha foto gonggra hepna kalau sok tuh ya kok ini bikin teh padi na padi
kong ada padi
padi na
padi
sini program coordinator aku bisa satu Jamatia aku tak coklat donai major pangi English medium school and we met Mr. Lomos and with the students after short class we'll start our main program this is also the lesson in the main program tonight of bag night or bag night sok paja talo Chuba Gongrai far away from Agartala near about 90 kilometer. Tapi lama belai hanya lama hingga cuma paja di bakar away. And on foot it will
2 kilometer maybe.
most probably 30 to 35 minutes. This is also tongkat sini official sok paja sini yang kalau sok paja sini coordinator sini tim ni borok music group ni sini musician sini vice president sok paja this is also sini main program no lagi hambai orang Chuba Gongrai major pangi school around 90 kilometer orang tu gari tu pemia gari aro hatai kalau hatai udah sangai tabu boy wacha wacha kasang ke tuisar opare usul sok paja orang malay ni kata official partai ni lepas tu pemia tu saya pun lagi hambai sini eskalomano principal orang major pangi school ni sejauh tu seraya no lagi hambai tu world welcome family balik. So ini bangan di tangi tonggo, anggrah hong ko ni kisah kamera yang sini. So ada mungkin sing helping hand, okay choose for good information. Helping hand, sini legendary Bimol Deborma, singer, lyricist, composer, dramatist, actor, bongkar sini Tripura sini. Jod kan isne sab karang ni. Sini dah, tiga dah kan sini loge kere. Dek photo sake ya. Sini ex-president, bahut tiga dah kan BG Jamatia, social activist. 2014 sini yang lain ini baru kemudian semua yang kau tanggung jawab belajar kamu, saya pun baru semua bahasa tahu, jadi pun kamu tahu. Hari bangga, job tu naik ni orang hambai, dia jenuh dia Chuba naik, and especially hambai maru sudah koloi, TF the president, the head of the department of journalism, Tripura University ni, semua Chuba mani, sini komandan sah, dah topon, baru belajar hambai topon deforma. Dari perusahaan Khwlai, aku di bus salia, destination salia, ada dada orang jamatia, bahkan itu, di sini masih syarat persoalan, vice president Dulal, di sini yang
Kiriro pansang like salno me chene mano siari no rogo sabda paikele beibon mano atu kiriro pansang like salno me chene mano siari no rogo sabda paikele
Jadi gotong, siapa guys atau ife ni, saya langsung play kalau. Kebalik ke hamba yang tabok, sini OC sahab no, respected OC, killa, PS ni, kok saja tadi narangwang kau jauh.
Leng saya sengkai kan habai katong najak, sini joy musical group by orang ini kisah yang baru orang ini paling mana, joy apa major pangi English medium school, pun itu jara salok nai, principal, student, orang parani jatuh nombor, seng hambai meru, tadi hamala jatuh seng no jebab lam sok mana, pun ibang wikup, seng ani pok ketika te ani killa thane wiba angkorong no hambai bayar. Kau kehasi seng kisi sani besing jara o monotoi subanai jara ungklok toi tong subanai berno bebelai hambai maru ja se hasal mawo tongoi ja satra sini ja bobishot ja borok sini backbone borno ti apa ti sawani bangai ja thangoi physical phaime afane ja ungklok toi suba oi ja ti sawani oi chesta khlaimani ba bono belai ke seng hambai maya par Mungkin jara orang jara principal tangnai borong nom bonobo tebe seng hambai marnai abang kok kesar mung beseng narnai ja sini ja bobishot borok no seng kahang kete beti sawoi jate emon borong ni ja goal aro jaga jate pusok manai jat ja next ja destination ja tongmani aro jaga tisai talang sogroi manai bonobo seng hakene kok kesar tani homala जे serai borok je tabok ni je tongnai borok chini bwskangni सबसे tisai talangnai abong suwa merudon do borok jodi se kesara jodi se kuno kebeng yakhai sija khetlang thanai kene bono jara naikol tongnai je boni guardian abong je principal je tongnai boni सबसे guru dahitta bono palan ma khlainai haine bangoi je tini kisani bising je जों jara unglok chubanai abong जों jara phaiwei joto phara musical group joy musical group ni phaiwei जों je soba soronai abong jotona hai hai ne te se paiphlaya hambai rawe angni kokthai sathai ni oron mataka
clap abang kok na bang nai koi nai sini vice president joy musical group ni hai thai thai sakta sini joy musical group ni vice president
Oke, jatuh hambai. Sini kita nawasi, tapi tunggu sini grup ni jatuh kami apa no? Sini sini kita sampai baca. Apa hai ni mana sini? Onek di mana? Hai lain maya, thang lain maya, waktu pangting lagi sini. Hai lain maya. Karena thang ke, ane atau para orang no, orang ane desa. Hai pun ang dol समर्थन माया ने लगे आगे मुझे तो खाई में यार तब वो लाओ सीने फनमान खा तब चीन गुरु जयंता जमाते ना फनमान खा ताई वो चुंग समय कहाँ मां खांगे ताई वो खान खाई नहीं नुकलो बरक तंग खांगे ये सो या नो चुंग सिफन नुक फन नुक या के मा तंग आगे आसु बस तंग से आंग और आसाई नहीं से तब से आंग दल मान नहीं नरम बिसा फनो बुसुरी में या फनो किसी सा मनो dol yang tahu ke biu joto ke ba corona ni khayo ke ba hai khai ke ba bibin rokom te bai kaham keren hamna ni ba bo bisane ba khai to bo jungbo boine bai srung mai afano chini group theke chini music group theke kisa pano khata kolom rono bagare phaine phai ka tini ya joton rono lam songa bai tong songa bai tai serai khna belai hamja bang anor parani bang tai bakhar yago tai ang hamja ko ner ma hai ko phai ma bai tai next sung mang khang ke tai bu sung dol song thong ga phai nai na sung jam ma thong Chuba phai nai se da ko
hambai abo hai hai koi nai chen bu sang kong na bang ei chin joy musical group ni coordinator kam cashier
hambai jotono no aro phai manja phai nai sini belai kena khatong thogu teman sini je joy musical group ni bisingtei je sini general secretary dajoin to jamatia ni sakthar mungbai bo kabagma jogajog khaimani bai boni je activities bai boni sakthar mai tei je sini oro major pangi sing oro phai sopayo ge jara oro student tongnai borok bhaino or jaga kaisa ya kachal jaga yang aga saimra tongmano saimarwa tongmano or jaga o jara pore ei tongnai rok ja kona jaga o amtai kaisa english madam khwlai je songsawei je principal bono blaika hambai or jaga english medium crack khaiwi chini ekdom durgon elaka kachalo bo or tongwi je srai rogno kahangke phirungai naikani khai tongani bagi ang paiflai hambai maru je principal sir no ga je team ni bising jara phainai chini executive body tongnai rogno jara phaiya tini phaimalia boro no maina hambai maru je team ni bekhani bising tei tini phaimai aphane next rogo jeng omonte hai taklai kaisa ya price time ma ke omonte hai jeng camp khlaiu buino Chuba layu gam te hekene sung kerengi tongo kesarma jori kisi sachi ni gap mani bai sung like time malia ke weather ni condition ni bagai jora so meya tini dada ni sakthar mung me hai hai te base kipeli sokai mani bagai an buka blai tong thoka mane angwa sok simaya amte eto taratari ni bisingo jeng amte ke kem khlai mane je major pangyo bo onek baron communication khaidi dada no chini by president bono sakthar la Khwlai mani bising ti tini oro sopela ge ja oro ni student ogno musing tini Sunday ni bising phane oro tongnai ogno belai ke uniform nugui te ani buka tongthoka ja yani communication je active te guardian ogno haine paple hambai maru jeno hamja bi je Chuba sokmani amte haikenu hai buka belai tongthogo omuni jotoni sai yang killa andar ni bisingo omuni backward sini uttor borona bisi bai omo uttor bojendrnagar bisi ni andar yang te kaisa si aga saimra boni pori ke te kiskri go parawo yang te border thang ke ompi border sing thang Or in bisingo jara chini haifasi chini belai ke student rok no clean nukmani bagai ang belai ke hamzaka je chini ora teaching khlainai or ni jara guardian borni naikani khlaima bai nu belai ke ang katong thoka or phai je standard student nukmani bagai belai ke ge ang asuk ni kok sanai borok sathung rok tungjak bai khena ba ang asuk kok naru.
You're feeling hot? You're not feeling hot?
Obviously,
Okay, once again, ang tewese kok sanan bang kok koinai ani executive member, respected Gonga Jamatia nobu kok tese tani na. Salia. Atsa. Okay, now I'll request to deliver speech Principal Escaloma of Major Pangi English Medium School.
Okay, thank you very much. And I give respect for today's the person who are coming for helping hands in memory of Joy Music Groups. So we are attention, we are gratefully gratitude thanks to the group which are today which are coming and present here. This is the Salvation Army Major Pangi School. First, I want to talk about the beginnings of the school, how will happen in the school, what is the needed people of these local people are needed school and all. In 2014, the school we are running by the Salvation Army, sponsored by the Indian Eastern Territory. When our church leader went to this place and location, and people all like BPL family and all, so that children cannot read, children cannot write properly. So that our mission is to have some to make a civilized people. So we have established for in memory of Major Pangi English Medium School, we have to open one school here. Still last year, we don't get any recognition from the government of Tripura. From the last year onwards, I'm coming from Mizoram, and I'm staying at present, including of this year, 5 years. And I fight when I coming here in Major Pangi English Medium School. I'll go every office to minister and land revenue minister, our MLA. I contact all them, and finally now we can get school recognition.
Good.
So this school help us for the poor people, and this school will be give us more ability for the day which come. So I pray every time. I pray for all my children to learn more English, to learn more educate. So that one day I hope that all my students they can become educated person.
Yes.
And the leader will be the Tripura, and the leader will be the tribal, and everything from this school. That is my prayer. So today I gratitude thanks for our leader joining musical groups for your visit us, and you give something for us. So we thanks to very much to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, students, children, listen to me carefully. Among you who are here, those are the students of this Major Pangi English Medium Schools. I want you to become, some of you, doctor, engineer, officers, IS officers, TCS officers, IPS officers, okay, advocate, but good IAS officers, good IPS officers, good doctors, good TCS officers, TPS officers, good teachers, not bad teachers. We must become a good person. So respect yourself, respect others, respect elders, your mom and papa, and respect your society. Okay, don't forget, unless if you're not educated, we cannot move here and there. We must educate it first. Then educate people, show the ways, of the society, in which way we'll go and in which goal we'll achieve. So this my request on behalf of Joy Musical Group. Don't forget, just study and study and study. Okay? You got it? Yes, understand? Yes. Understood? Yes, good. And always pray. Keep praying always. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Sekarang Bangkok saka sini ani khasuksa Sudil Koloi, TFD President and Head of the Department of Mass Communication, Tripura University, and Commandant Mr. Dilip De Burma, and my dearest one, my brother, big brother, elder brother, Mr. DM Jamatia, and our Vice President, and my teams. All are contributed, all are helping hand. The little things, not so much. Among Belaka Hambai, just no Subana, thank you very much, Belaka Hambai. They don't know Koinai, at least Bisawa is once in a year. Let's help our people. Let's think our people. Let's think our society. Okay, Oberon above Tabuk Sarai of this students, but Korsa educated in Tanke. It's the benefit of our schools, our society, our village, and our nation, as well as our country. Among Balaka Hambai, the Joto Chinor Pioneer Hambai, now I may request our respected OC to hand it over the things which you brought to our principal, Escaloma, and Mrs. Escaloma also please come forward. Japan yapadi, kaisa? Khata phai yapadi. Kaisa kaini ke apa ke betung pada yapan lagi? Amun phai yapadi do demu sang ya. Koto ke de hagar yapadi do. Hari joto yapa korab lai nai. And now may I request our Vice President, Mr. Khwlai, to hand it over X. Talk to you, let's clap. Ang koi na chini abono coordinator no saban yapan na bagay saban. Great musician na koi nai apu sorgono candle ya pernah nuangi candle ya pak clap please big hand of applause. Take ani executive member Motilal Menaino kolom ya pernah nuangi Angke biscuit ya par silai ke? Please take it. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Take I said tong sini ang apu gonggono koi nai executive member no.
Ya phai di.
Mes bog ya par fine. Don't clap for you. Come on. Always keep smiling. Always rejoice. In the name of Lord, in the name of True One, in the name of Almighty, He will sow the right path for you and me, for our society, for our nations, for our states, for our family. So, joto kam ko papor nai do. Yes, sir. Nro khoroksa, doctor, engineer, officers, IAS officers, IPS officers, TCS officers, TPS officers, advocate. Right, काम के माप पड़े नहीं, नेरो पड़े रिंखां के, ओ पारागो, तेरे electricity फाइ नहीं, लामा काम फाइ नहीं, गाड़ी फाइ बनाई, तो इन उनजाने काम बनाई, बांगमा काम फाइ नहीं. The facilities will come here. Bye bye. जों khata kolom bagai tabok hain hai agotla bekha killa bekha berberapa agotla tanai laulai tunggu kunisi ke mai masalah ko boh buksa boh in sera tu oklo rong khna killa thangai mai sagai sing kang lai sinai sini osi sab bai sini joto musical group ni executive member ro president vice president tongo sini vice president ro sokhai mali ate bang mana kan hai jotono hambai nai tongo ni bagai te jotono koi nai suba jabai di jotono no balai ke hambai